The ITGuide.io ServerConnect Pro Adapter turns a regular laptop into a full crash cart replacement, making it easy to walk up to almost any server, automated teller machine, or desktop and start managing it directly. It provides direct keyboard, video, and mouse access over a single universal serial bus connection, so you can reach firmware menus and basic input-output system screens without installing anything on the remote machine. Support for both high-definition multimedia interface and video graphics array video, up to a detailed 1920 by 1200 resolution, keeps text crisp enough for long troubleshooting sessions. Because it draws power from the server instead of the laptop and comes in a very compact housing, it fits neatly in a bag and does not noticeably shorten your notebook's battery life during long maintenance rounds. Thoughtful extras like copy and paste between systems, quick image and video capture, and included adapters and a small universal serial bus hub reduce the number of separate tools you need to carry into the data center. Status indicator lights and well-made cables make it easier to confirm that links are solid, which helps avoid the flaky connections and cable clutter that often plague improvised crash cart setups.